Exercise 1E, Real Numbers, Class 10. Question number 4. Write down the decimal expansion of the following rational numbers by writing their denominator in the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Sub number 1, 3 by 8. Question number mak na kanina. Yan so guman rational number ko decimal na convert kanagtan angin. May convert kagina denominator ko 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n formula ang change sa iya ko decimal na convert kagin. May rakyan ra. So 3 by 8. This is equal to 3 by. So the 8 ko factorize ka de may kasi naman again 2 cube ni siya naman again. 2 cube mo de 8 niya. Dagim na. So the 2 cube ko may chi multiply again na 5 cube chi multiply ka na again. 2 ni power 3 mo de 5 ni power 3 mo na again. So 3 by 2 cube into 5 cube into 5 cube. Tadi asa 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n form niya. Numerator ko 5 cube chi multiply ko de, denominator ko ba 5 cube chi multiply ka na again. So this is equal to 5 cube de betong niya 125. Tingnan 125 into 3 count de betong niya 3 5 15 carry over 1 3 12 so 36 plus 1 37. Okay, 375 divided by the power 3 kaman ongya ini given 2 into 5 to the power 3 ni sinaman again. The solve kind of easy ongit. So this is equal to 375 divided by 2 into 5 beta 10. Ini given 10 cube ongya. 10 cube. So 375 divided by 10 cube beta 1000. So the 375 ko 1000 se divide ka de betong again 3 decimal place iba again. Yini 0 ko chanai bo. 1 2 3 0 ngo tham donga. Skang ba numerator ko 375 ko sesing bo. So the 1000 no 0 ngo tham donga ni gimen decimal place ba tam ko tham again. Chakraw ni chanbo 1 2 3 ni so decimal point on bojok ni so de chakashire dongjan mangba dongjan ni gimen 0. Inon betong hana 0.375. Yes sir, a decimal expansion. Sub number 2, 7 by 80. Yahoba decimal expansion now convert again. Skang ba ya 80 ko factorize kachin again. So 7 by the 80 ko factorize ka ang ode chisay chiba graph calculation again. 80 ko factorize ka ang ode at 2 chi divide again. 2 40 sa 80, 220 sa 40, 2 10 sa 20, 2 5 is a 10. 2 gibri 5 gisa ini given 2 to the power 4 into 5 on here. So this is equal to 7 by 2 to the power 4 into 5 into betong again 5 ni power 1. 5 ni power 1 ini given 5 to the power 3 chi multiply hanan again sa 5 ni power 4 iba again 2 ni power 4 ode 5 ni power ba 4 nan again sa 5 ni power ko 4 wan nagta 5 cube chi multiply hanan again mana already 5 tungsuenga iniman 5 cube chi multiply again tibna numerator ko ba 5 cube chi multiply again. So this is equal to the 5 cube de betong ya 125. Dimna 125 chi 7 ko multiply ka ngode betong ya 7 5s are 35 carry over 3 7 into 12 de 84 84 plus 3 de 87 diman 8 7 5 divided by de betong inchok 2 to the power 4 into 5 ni power de 1 de 3 1 plus 3 de 4. So this is equal to 875 by de power 4 kaman ungya ini given 2 into 5 to the power 4 So this is equal to 875 divided by 2 5s are 10 dengan power de 4. So this is equal to 875 divided by 10 to the power 4 ode betong injok skang pa 1 ko siching bo 10 to the power 4 ino de 0 rongsa donga tigimna power de 4 to de 0 rongsa ani gimen 1 chianga 4 ko multiply ka ode betong ya 4 ini gimen 0 betong ibagena 1 2 3 4 0 bri 10 to the power 4 ode 10,000 ongya to the 875 ko 10,000 chi divide kabo ino de bette ibagen skang pa sebo 875 tibne no 0 rong bri donga 0 rong bri donga ni gimen decimal place pa ge bri ibagen ini gimen sakrani sanbo 1 2 3 ni jangade 0 ndapo ino sa 4 ongya 1 2 3 4 bri pa de maungba dongje ni gimen 0 kon ndap yemna yan decimal place ki bri ngatinga tibne ni jamano de decimal point shithot bojok ni jangade 0 pangnan iskrabo 10,000 chi divide ka ode 4 decimal place ibagen ini masa zakrani chana ha 1 2 3 digune 0 ndap yemna 4 1 2 3 4 diguna give decimal point ni jangade 0 to the 4 decimal place waha yes a decimal expansion. Short answer type questions. Step 2. Number 5. Categorize each of the following as rational or irrational number. If they are rational of the form a by b, what can you say about prime factorization of b? There are suguman number anko. Sub number 1 14.23 1 2 3 4 5. Yara rational wamongja rational number ma my rational number uhu categorize kanak danangin rational wang ode manade a by b ni form wang ode inode b ni conditionera may rakbonggen 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n wamongja uhu mention kanak danangin sangbo yakoma sichingbo terminating decimal wang ode with a rational number onga aro non-terminating repeating decimal ongode woba rational number onga yamungni condition satisfy ongode with rational number ongen terminating decimal ongode rational number paung joba non-terminating repeating decimal ongoba manade non-terminating on baksana decimal rang repeat katsit hang ode de rational number onga indiba non-terminating on maksana non-repeating on skang ode repeat kate thejang ode decimal ang repeat kate thejang ode de irrational number non-terminating non-repeating ode irrational number indiba non-terminating repeating ne difference to one yera repeating yera non-repeating non-terminating repeating ode rational number non-terminating non-repeating ode irrational number. That is sub number 1 kunyat bo yede decimalan 5 po bonchong dekainga 5 po bonchong dekainga ni gaman yede terminating decimal ongode maina rational number ini mana again it is a rational number and that yera terminating decimal ongode b ni conditioner mayonggen yukodes kangan nipa manna ha terminating decimal ongode b ni condition de pangnan 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n onggen and b is equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n indiba terminating decimal ongjang ode ya condition satisfy ongjawa b equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n yang ongjawa chim terminating decimal ongjang ode indiba terminating decimal ongani gimen b is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Sub number 3 8.020567 8.020567 bar ya kosa ko bar na ha ya bar na ni muksone rongjok ya absent decimalan repeat ong thethenga 020567 ini zaman ba 020567 ini zaman ba 020567 deke option numberan repeat ongthe thenga yaban non terminating ya non terminating decimal on maksana repeating decimal ongskenge de yede non terminating repeating ode maungena rational number. Could I ask again? It is a rational number. Nibera non-terminating one given b is not of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n again. Non-terminating ode 2 to the power m ye biera 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n formo ongjawa. Inamsa b dimna equal ko nige strike abo b not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n ongya. Sub number 4 3.1235 bar. Inode ya 5 sa repeat ongta thenga ini amsa khosako baro na ha 5 ni khosako baro na manade ya 5 repeat ongta thenga 5 degene continuous one repeat ongya. Ini men yede non terminating on baksana repeating ongskenya. Non terminating repeating ode yede rational number. Name ask again, it is a rational number and b is not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Mining given b not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n ungana yarong jok non terminating decimal ungana non terminating ode pangnan b not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n ungen. Number 6. Which rationals are represented by? Sub number 1, 0.125. Inode ya decimal representation ko rational number na convert kana nangen. Manade a by b ni form na convert kana nangen. Magi convert kagena hura. So 0.125 iko fraction na convert kana node. Skang be decimal place ko nisingbo. Ye decimal point ni jamalo dungba number ko chanbo 1 2 3. Kegam dunga decimal place kegam dunga ode eco fraction na convert ka ode 1000 chi divide kana na phangnan giskrabo decimal place kegam dunga ode eco fraction na convert ka 1000 chi divide kana na skang bo sebo 1 2 5 ini ode divided by 1000 dode 125 aro 1000 eco reduce kabo 125 by 1000 ko reduce kana node mega reduce again 5 chi na cancel kana man again 5 into 25 de 125 tigimna 5 into 2 de 10 tigimna 5000 5 into 200 ko de 1000 ngya to changsa cancel ka thebo 5 se 25 5 4 se 20 500 to changsa cancel ka bo 5 ara 5 ode 1 times tigimna 40 ode 8 times. Ini man baitong injok kosakode 1 kamode 8. Ini man 1 by 8. Sub number 2 11.225. That is 11.225. Yaban decimal point ni zamano. Decimal place gigitamong iya. Decimal place gigitamong ode eco fraction or convert ka 1000 chi divide kana nangen ini 1 1 2 2 5 nage decimal point ko remove kabo tigimna divided by 1000 dori ko cancel kabo 5 chi cancel kabo 5 into 200 ka 1000 tigimna inode beta times ungya 5 ara 5 ara 11 ode beta 2 times 5 2 is 10 11 minus 10 de 1 Dimna 2 crowd 12. Tell changsa 5 2 is 10. 12 minus 10 de 2. 2 crowd 22. 5 4 is 20. 22 minus 20 de 2. Dimna 5 crowd 25. 5 5 is 25. Tell changsa 5 chi cancel kabo. 5 4 is 20. 5 0 is 0. You know the better injok. 5 4 is 20. Dimna 22 minus 20 de 2 4 crowd 24. Dimna 5 4 is 20. 24 minus 20 de 4 5 crowd 45. Dimna 5 9 is 45. 449 by 40. Ina grade manang jaha. Iniman this is equal to 449 by 40. 449 by 40. Dengan sub number 3 ko de nasong antang khai boha yan nasong na homework.